Now I'm cutting the shoulders, and I'm starting out with a measurement of 1 foot and 1 inch. Now I cut the piece of wood that represents the pelvis, and this piece of wood is 10 inches, just a little over 10 inches, 10.5 inches. And if you put these glasses on the pelvis, it's called pelvis Presley. Here we go. Here is the spinal column, the backbone, and this is 35.5 inches long. Okay, this is the basic configuration of the corpse. Here's the head sits on top of this excess. If the skull you have doesn't have a hole in the bottom, you can cut a hole in the bottom to fit it on top. And it's loose. It's not stable at this point. The shoulders, spinal column, this makes up the torso, and then of course the pelvis will be attached here.